Good evening to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi Ongowekethelo. This is a short video. So from now on, I'm going to post videos and products to help you with izinto eziningi. So, but most of my posts are going to be seen only by abantu abangifollowayo, my friends, and yeah, abantu abangifollowayo basically. With regards to products, into efana like for instance, I know kunabantu abahlulwa impepho, right? So there is something, a substitute for impepho ngizoyiposta. So on a daily basis I'll post something. Kunale vimbela esithi thina eyamanzi, le uyawabona amanzi ahamba kuwe. I'll post that as well. I just posted ama-products. Ngiyazi sihlushwa i-exhaustion, i-fatigue, imizimba yethu ibuhlungu. There's a tissue oil that I just posted. Hambani noyithenga guys, before iphela hambani noyithenga. It's amazing. I can attest to that. Ingisizile sho. Ngisebenzise only today. I got it yesterday, ngisebenzise today, but ingisizile. Ngipostile. Kune product yama-sinuses. Yama-sinuses ekusizayo kuma-sinuses ne-flu. Ngizonipostela yona, uyastima ngayo or uyayigcobisa nje esandleni bese uyayithela nje ngama-drops bese uyenza kanje. Isebenza ngisho naseyinganeni for ama-sinuses, for i-flu. What else did I kunalento ayingisazi ukuthi abantu abadala bayasihlupha nangamazinyo. Bayahlupha kakhulu ngamazinyo. Kunento engizonibonisa yona yabantu abadala yamazinyo. Z2 I think. Izinto ezi2 ezisizayo. One is medical and then one is yabantu abadala. Bangisiza ngayo ngacishe ngafa. But then ngizoniplaka nje ngoba ngithi mina abakithi bayangiplaka. Abakithi bayangiplaka wherever lapha engihamba khona. So nani ngizoniplaka, but izobonwa abangani bami kuphela ne. Asikisini ebangabonanga. Ngizozifaka ngizolibe ngiyifakile nje lezi zinto lezi. Nezinto zo-treat iskin, abantu basafara for ngeskin, abantu baneskin esibi. Ngizoniplaka ukuthi sebenzisani ini for iskin, no clean skin from inside. Ngizoniplaka. All right.